Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I think it's time to wrap this up. We're very close to the bottom at the moment, and I've been tracking the market right for a whole day today, and it's clear to me that by each passing time we're very close to the bottom. I think Pepe is kind of going to drop maybe 24% more and then move to the downside. Bitcoin is also probably going to drop down to 77 or $73,000 for another 10%, and then from there we wrap things off. We clearly bottom out, and I think the bottom should happen in the next 10 days or 15 days. I think until the middle of the month we're gonna get that drop happening. So we don't have any support right here. Okay, the previous support was this trend line, and when the trend line was lost, we never had any other support. And keep in mind that the bear flag technical target is still pending, so it's not done until it is. So you have a threat to go down to 499. You are not in a safe zone. That's the problem. You might actually take one candle and think this candle is a reversal candle. For example, today you have a very nice good closing, but I highly doubt it's just a candle. Okay, even in here we had a good closing, but it didn't really matter. The thing is that yes, you could actually see a small push up maybe to 790 and then go down. But if you want to go back to the safe zone, it is going to be 1154. As I said before in so many videos, 1150 is the place to go back up and take 1151 and then hold above 1150, and then you're good to go back up. All right, this way what you do is basically you, number one, invalidate the flag itself. You have the bear flag, and when you come up here you destroy the bear flag. That bear flag gets destroyed, and secondly you get back into the trend line one more time, and that's gonna be a fake out to the downside, and all you do is go back for the retest and you hold above and pass the retest and actually go and continue to the upside. Can it happen? It can happen. If the big whales want to buy and put in a lot of money into crypto, they can do that. But one thing is, Bitcoin doesn't have a very good closing, and I want to show you the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have Bitcoin that has this bearish harami now. Yes, we have the green, but look at the 4-hour closing. This is not good. Okay, so one green, one red next to it shows you're gonna move lower. And what about the EMAs? Even the EMAs, you struggle to get above them. You made a fake out, you pumped up, you went above the EMAs, and now you're down under the EMAs, and you're actually being rejected very badly. So that's not a good sign. Bitcoin still, this is the bad sign number one, and bad sign number two is that Bitcoin still never filled in $77,000 CME gap. So you're still open to go down and fill that. That's why I do say that we have a little bit of a move coming down, but we're close, right? We're very close to the bottom, and this is my take. Bitcoin does this, maybe further extra 11%, maybe even up to 14%, and then bottom out. Hopefully from that point onwards we bottom out, and then from here we continue to go and move to the upside. The prices are pretty good. On the private, I'm trying to I do have a plan to get a trade that can actually pump 2x, because this is a big discount, and if you want to be a part of it, by the way, I have a new offer for the newest members, that Q2 in April, May, June, 3 months. If you join Q2, today's 5th of March, as you're listening to this video, you will get time from 5 till 30 of March, like the whole of March, for absolutely free. You paid for April, May, June, but you're gonna get March for free, right? The remaining days, it's still 25 days of March, and we can still get good entries in March as well, and even win, right? Even win with this being your bonus month, and your time actually starts on April, May, June, and then you still have 3 more months to stay in the private. So think about it and message me on Discord, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.